Cheers to your success and everything that's coming next. May you chase your dreams with courage and keep inspiring us with your journey ahead. All the best.
Congratulations on your well-deserved milestone. Your achievements in SA India National Level Symposium and Puducherry State Level Competition has truly inspired us. Good job and well done. Thank you.
Thank you for always being there when we needed help. Your support made real difference and you went unnoticed. Wishing you all the best for your future. You will be missed.
Congratulations for your tremendous victory, guys. You have achieved a great potential skill set which inspired me to do a modular project design techniques of my own. All the best and thank you for being with us. Wishing you a great success ahead.
Congratulations on everything you achieved so far. Wishing you even more success at the exciting journey ahead. Good luck. May the future brings you great things.